Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a quick Dollar Tree haul. If you're interested in knowing what I got, just keep on watching. So the first thing I picked up are these hydrangeas, these faux hydrangeas. And I just thought these are so realistic. I mean, I want to buy real flowers, but it's pretty expensive to buy real flowers continuously and then they just end up dying. So I bought 3 bunch to put them together pretty much like this in a vase, and I'm not gonna do anything to it. I just wanted something simple and nice and something real looking. And yeah, so I bought these. Next I picked up these little round terrarium planters. And yeah, there was a lot in my Dollar Tree and I thought, why not pick up 4? So if I wanted to use them in the future for something, then I have them in stock. I'm not necessarily going to use them all at once right now, but for $1, these are really pretty, really nice. And you can hang these outside in the summertime with the air plants in them, and you don't have to do anything else. Maybe in the future I'll show a video on how I use these. Next I picked up some stuff for the house, and I got these containers. I got 3 containers because they didn't have any more. But these are good to take to work. You can separate, you know, vegetables and rice or whatever you want. You know, you have separate compartments for different food. I also stocked up on these popsicle sticks. I use these for many different reasons. I mean, sometimes for crafts, other times to stir paint, and you know, they're cheap and affordable, and you can just throw them away after one use for anything. And I found these little mason jar shakers. You can put salt and pepper in them if you want. I thought these were just adorable. They're so cute. And I'm thinking of using like the Cricut Explorer and creating a label, and it will look really nice. For $1, this doesn't seem like $1. I also stocked up on some ribbons. These are polka dotted burlap ribbon, and you know, it just never hurts to have some on hand for any little creative project that pops into your mind. I got these burner cover set. There's like 2. They're made out of metal, and I have a DIY project in mind using these. I'm gonna do pretty soon, so watch out for that. I also found these bow clips. They're just so cute. The color is really pretty, and they have little polka dots. And I thought this would be nice in the summertime when you want to pull back your hair. They're just like a clip that you open like that. Now this is the part where I went crazy. I saw these and I thought this would look so nice having all matched up item. This is the table mat. It says enjoy every moment. And I love the color. That's the only reason I picked this up. This is really nice. And then to go with that, I got the pot holder also in that print. I got the dishcloth, the scrubber dishcloth. I also got the oven mitts in that print. And I got 2 kitchen towels in that print also. I don't know, I just think the color is so, it's not spring, yeah, but at the same time it has the leaves, and it doesn't feel fallish to me, but it's a very dark kind of color for spring. But I really enjoyed the color combination, and I thought, why not have everything matching in the kitchen? So I picked all of this up. And I love the quote it says on it, so all the more reason to get it. Next, I got couple of these organizers with lid, and you'll see a DIY coming up soon using this, and I'm really excited about it. When I came across these canvases, I was just laughing because they're so little and cute. So I like to paint on the side, and I thought just having little canvases to practice on, like, you know, a sketch out would be really helpful, and I got those. And last but not least, I found the Crown Jewels collection. Yeah, the Crown Jewels collections, and I got 3 of the pineapple notepad, 3 of the stickers, and 2 of the Hello journals. And that concludes my haul. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you continue to support me by subscribing to this channel for more videos. Until next time, peace out.